Here's another series I just started. It's called Grunge Love Table Runner Club. There are 20 table runner patterns in this book. There's a pieced version that you see here on the left, an applique version in the middle, and then you have patterns for 4 placemats. And this one is called Taco Tuesday. You can interchange the applique and the pieced blocks. In each table runner, you have 5 blocks. So you can switch off blocks with applique or pieced versions, but you would have to buy 2 kits for that. And then I've separated out kits for the applique table runner, the pieced table runner, and the placemats.